Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, I'm doing a little meal prep here. I said, let me do a little video here. I never did before, and I keep these in my freezer all the time. Breakfast burritos. I'll do 4, sometimes 6 of these, and I'll usually keep one out when I'm making them. And then the other one I'll put in my little food saver bag, and I'll freeze them. And whenever I want a breakfast burrito in the morning, I don't feel like cooking, I pull it out, let it thaw out, usually the night before. If I don't forget, if I forget sometime, of course, I'll just throw it out in the microwave, and I got breakfast burrito. Very simple, very easy recipe here, y'all. Let me tell you what I got here. Got some cheddar cheese here. I got some breakfast sausage, some shredded hash browns, eggs, of course, then the 12-inch flour tortilla. Now, all I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to get everything prepped. What I mean by that is I'm going to cook the sausage off, get it all crumbled up and cooked off, and then put my hash browns in here and get it all, hold on, y'all, let me get in y'all way for a second. And then when I get everything, I can say this is very simple, y'all. The hardest thing is getting everything cooked off. But the process of cooking it, putting it together is simple. The only thing I gotta cook, I gotta cook everything except the cheese, right? Let me get this right. Let me move y'all over here. Move y'all over here to the cooking process. So all I'm gonna do, y'all, we just gonna turn that down there in the back. Put my hash browns on. And we're going to get all this cooked off, including the eggs. And then we're going to simmer this together. That's it. And what's better than hash browns, y'all? And let's drop that on the floor. That would have been a disaster, wouldn't it? All right, so we're going to get all this cooked off, and when we come back, we're going to assemble this together. Like I said, all the thing I got in here, and you can put anything you want. You want to put onions in it? You can. You want to put jalapenos in it? Definitely can. Just make it your own. You want to put jack cheese or pepper jack cheese or Monterey jack cheese in it? However you want to do it. Let's make it your own. But I'm going to show you a simple way I like mine. I've been doing it mine for years. Like I say, you want a breakfast burrito, you can make them smaller if you want to do tacos. But I suggest to do burritos because one burrito to me equals 2 tacos. So that's why I do a burrito. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back when all this is done, and we'll simmer this together. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, I'm finishing up my eggs here. You can see I got the hash browns ready, sausage ready, cheese. I made the cheese too, y'all. But anyway, we're going to get our eggs cooked right quick here. And we'll be ready to assemble this thing. And what I do, I put my tortillas with a little paper towel on them, with a damp paper towel, and I'll put them in the microwave for like 10 or 15 seconds. And then I'll get ready to wrap these up. So let me get these eggs done. I don't like my eggs cooked complete. Y'all know how I like my eggs. I do not like no extra well done eggs. They're just too crusty and dry and crumbly. It's just a big turnoff for me. That's just my chefs. Most chefs, that's what we are. We like a nice, soft, fluffy egg. I do not like them overcooked. I'm going to turn this off because it's going to carry over. And this is how I like my eggs, y'all. Nice and fluffy like this. So I'm going to take that off, put it in the, do that down here. And then they're going to kind of carry over. That's why I took them off a little early. But they still cooking. A lot of people don't know that. They'll cook them all the way in the skillet, take them off, and that's how you got dry, crumbly eggs. Yep. So I was taught by one of the master chefs how to cook eggs when I was 23 years old. Never forgot, y'all. Yeah, a real master chef, not just one that say they are. So anyway, let me get these tortillas ready. We're gonna come back and we're gonna assemble these things. Old school breakfast burritos. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, it's showtime. It is showtime at the Apollo. Da-na-na. Y'all remember watching Showtime at the Apollo on Saturday nights? Y'all remember that? A few years ago. Favorite host was Steve Harvey was a host. My favorite host was Sinbad, though. I know Sinbad's going through some medical issues right now, but I love me some Sinbad. But that ain't what the video is about. I just curious y'all that watch Showtime at the Apollo. Okay, y'all. We're gonna get this thing together. We're gonna put some cheese on here first. Throw that on there like that. Can't have a burrito without cheese, huh? Well, you can. I'm not gonna say that. For some people lactose intolerant or they just don't like cheese. I'm not a huge cheese fan, but hey, it is what it is, right? Okay, y'all. We're gonna put some you know what, I forgot I washed my hands a couple of days ago, so I can use my hands here. I forgot that. Jeff, you remember you washed your hands a couple of days ago. It's okay to use your hands. Some people ain't gonna get that joke. Some people ain't gonna get that joke, y'all. They're gonna be emailing me, talking about me bad. But down there, he washed his hands 2 days before. And didn't do that. Anyway, let's put our potatoes on here next. And we do the eggs last. It's no science, y'all, and what goes first. I just like to put the cheese first because that's what's hitting the heat when you warm it up, so the cheese will melt a little bit better. That's why I put the cheese first. Oh yeah, look at that, y'all. And I did put salt and pepper in my eggs. I did season the potatoes. So this thing definitely gonna be well seasoned. Okay, y'all. Now, we're just gonna wrap them up just like a regular burrito. Just like you're doing a regular burrito, right? Look at that. Okay, let me put this over here. Just like you're wrapping a Christmas present. Oh, y'all. It's like you're wrapping a Christmas present for your kids and your in-laws. I thought y'all liked that, wouldn't you? What are you talking about? That in there, I got a lot of meat in there. Don't overstuff it like me. That's Texas style burrito, right? This is Texas style burritos. Get in there, get in there, get in there, sir. Get in there, sir. I'll eat that one there. There we go. Now what I want to do, I'm going to put a toothpick. And you don't have to really put a toothpick in them, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to try this, y'all. Let me try this. Hold on. It's all live TV, y'all. All on live TV here. Live TV. All on live TV. You know what? I'm not gonna. Once you put that down and cook it, I never put toothpick, but I was just curious. So we're gonna come back here. I'm gonna put these in the food saver, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna cook this other one off. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all. I'm getting these kind of put up in my bags, but I'm gonna cook one off as I told y'all. So you're gonna put the seal side down right in here. Got a little oil in there. And we're gonna start cooking that bad boy off. And like I say, that's why I put the cheese first, y'all. Y'all just watch that as I bag up my burritos here. Get them ready for the freezer. Get them ready for the freezer, y'all. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. So anyway, I'll be back once I turn this over. And we'll, and I'll put these other ones in, go and get my food saver, suck the air out of these, and we'll be ready to eat. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We're back here. Okay, we got the burrito here. We're gonna take out the skillet. I just turned it off. We're gonna move all over here. And y'all can see I got some in the bag already. Cryo bag, I got them already cryo back here. But let's cut this bad boy up. I'm gonna cut it on the bias. Just like that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that in there. So we're gonna put this up here, y'all. And we're gonna step off and do that world famous YouTube thumbnail. And we'll be back. You gotta try this out and take one for the team. Old school breakfast burritos. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back for the final segment here. Final segment here, y'all. And like I told you, look at that. Yeah, yeah. That's breakfast there. And like I said, I put my other ones. Anytime I want a breakfast burrito, which I'm gonna label these in a second, so I remember what they are. I got so much food in there, my freezer that I prep. I always make sure I label. But yeah, I just pull it out in the morning before, or if I need it's frozen, I'll put this in the microwave like this, about 45 seconds. Then I'll take it out, sear it off in the skillet, just like this. But anyway, enough talking, right? Hold on, y'all. Let me get a spoon here. Because you can use jalapenos, you can use sour cream and pecani sauce like I have right now. Look at that, beautiful. Got the potatoes in there, that sausage, that cheese. And that's why it's very important not to overcook your eggs. A little tip from a chef here. I'm letting y'all know. I'm all about attention to detail. If you overcook your eggs in the beginning and be just cooked, some people like well done eggs, I respect that. But if you overcook your eggs beginning time, and then you're gonna put this in the burrito again and cook it, your eggs gonna cook even more. See how perfect those eggs are? That's the key. Anyway, going in here, let me look, y'all. I gotta do this right. I'm gonna put a little sauce on there, a little sour cream. What they say, a dollop will do it? Daisy. Look at that. Here, take a bite. Come on now, take a bite. Go in there. That's good eating, y'all. Quick, easy, flavorful. And like I say, I seasoned the potatoes and the eggs. Of course, the sausage is already salt and pepper in it as well. Are perfectly delicious breakfast tacos. One more bite, and we really eat, y'all. Going in. Come on now. Come on. Bite. Wow. Like I said, that's equivalent to 2 tacos. And like I say, y'all can put anything you want in it. Jalapenos. You can put, leave the egg, leave the potatoes out. If you want another thing, something I see on the cruise ship, people doing, if you want to do eggs over easy, or fried eggs, and scallop scramble, put that in there. Use jack cheese, use pepper jack cheese. I mean, it's unlimited. What you want to do, put bell peppers and onions in there. So anyway, just want to show y'all a little meal prep that I was doing before I put my burritos in the freezer here. I usually keep, because I run out last week, matter of fact 2 weeks ago, I usually put 6 in the freezer. I usually have 4 in the freezer. And I usually make 5 at a time. I eat one. I usually have 4 in the freezer. Usually lasts me a month or 2. Cause I don't eat a breakfast burrito every day. But every once in a while you want something quick to eat breakfast, and you got a breakfast burrito in there. Take it out, warm it up. Bam, you got breakfast. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow me on social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2025? It's great to be alive. It's even better to be living. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.